My name is Uuzoes, and I'm going to be reading Little Monkey. Little Monkey is a very lovely book. Now, if you can all see that I'm really obsessed with Little Monkey, so let's get on the movement. By the way, my name is Uuzoes, but they call me Uuzoes, so you can just call me Uuzoes. Little Monkey. So interesting. Monkey loved the jungle. Monkey loved the jungle. Monkey loved living in the jungle. There were so many things to do and see. But every now and then, things went a bit wrong. Monkey had a little problem, and the problem was being little. Some days even things was out of reach. Everything was out of reach. Other days it was out of sight. Look, wow. Too bad she's very little. Things were always too deep, too dangerous, and too difficult for someone so little. No, you can't climb up here. Monkey was fed up with always missing out, so one day she made a decision, and a very brave and very big decision. I will climb to the top of the tallest tree. The jungle is not too big for me, you'll see. It wasn't an easy journey, not easy at all. The river was deep and dangerous, and the path was often difficult, but Monkey would not give up. And step by step, she found her way. Everywhere Monkey looked, she noticed little things, and the little things did amazing things. Now, it's my turn, she said. So Monkey began to count. 1, 2, 3. Who's too little now? Not me. Soon Monkey had reached the very bottom of the tallest tree in the jungle. This will be fun, she said as she began to climb. Very nice pictures. Up she went, climbing higher and higher, right to the very top. The world looked so little and so beautiful. Finally, Monkey could see everything, including the rest of her troop. They looked very excited to see me. It must be time to go, thought Monkey, and she swung down from the tallest tree, feeling very pleased and proud. Monkey did love living in the jungle, now more than ever before. I may be small, but I'm very brave, she said. I'm very lucky, said the rest of her troop. Little Monkey knew they were right, because the smaller you are, the larger your adventures can be. But best of all, the bigger the hug feels. I hope you love reading Little Monkey. It was such a pleasure to join me. Now, time to see what it said at the back. It's hard being little, but Monkey in the big jungle, and Monkey has definitely let that, so she is off to climb to the very top of the tallest tree, and she's going to do it all on her own. Has all her making parent favorite. So you can also get Just So Stories, I Am an Artist, and the King Cat. But mostly, if you want, you can get Little Monkey. Thank you very much. Bye.